Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 11 Algebra Exercise 11.3 question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now this over here, if you see, identify the operations addition, subtraction, division or multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Now some expressions are given to us over here. We have to tell that what are the operations in these expressions and how have they been formed. Right, now first one you see is z plus 1. Now over here you can see this plus sign. What is this? Addition, right? So you can write here first operation is addition. And how is this one formed? This one is formed how? By adding 1 to z. Then this one, if you see, now here this is subtraction. Okay, so subtraction, because how? Because you can see this minus sign is present over here, that means subtraction. And how is this one formed? You are subtracting 1 from z. Okay, so that means subtracting 1 from z. Then this one you see we have this plus sign here, that is again addition, so you can write over here. And how is this expression formed? This is y plus 17, so it is formed by adding 17 to the variable y, right? Then next one here, if you see, you are having minus sign and the expression is y minus 17. Minus sign is what? Subtraction, right? So this expression is subtraction. And how is this one formed? Again by subtracting 17 from y. Okay, let us move on to the next part. Now next expression is this one. Now here if you see, this first is 17y. Now do you see any plus or minus sign here? No. But what do you see is that this 17 is written after before y, right? So you can see in the middle between 17 and y there is no sign. That indicates that we are multiplying these two, right? So that means in this we are having the expression of multiplication. Okay, so you can write over here multiplication. And then this one y upon 17. But also how is this expression formed? We are multiplying 17 and y. Okay, so this is formed by multiplying 17 and y. And this one, if you see here, so you can see y upon 17. And I have always told this, that whenever you see something in fraction, the numerator is being divided by the denominator. So firstly the operation here is what? Division, right? So our operation is division. So I will write it here, division. And how is this expression formed? By dividing y, that is the numerator, y, by denominator, that is 17. So this expression is formed by dividing y by 17. Then this one again you see 5z, there is no sign in between them, no plus or minus sign, and also you can see no this upon sign, right? So that means what can we say is that whenever there is no sign between the two numbers, that means multiplication we are doing, right? So you can simply say that multiplication is the operation. And now how is it formed? It is formed by multiplying 5 by z, or 5 and z, whatever, but multiplying 5 and z. Let us move on to the next part. Now next is this part. Now here two operations are being performed in one expression. First you see 2y plus 17. Now this plus sign is addition. So first of all mark that, you can clearly see. So we can clearly see that first we are doing addition. Now there is one more operation in this. Which one? If you see 2y here, there is no sign and they are written like each one again the other, right? So that means this is performing multiplication because there is no sign. So that means we are multiplying. So multiplication. Okay. And now if you see, so how can we say this expression is formed? It is formed by first multiplying 2 and y and then adding 17 to 2y, right? That is the way expression is formed. Then this one here also, if you see, so this one first you can clearly see minus sign, so subtraction. Okay, so we are doing subtraction here. And again if you see, so we are having 2y here also, that is also saying the same thing, that you are multiplying 2 and y, so multiplication. Okay, now again two operations here, that are subtraction and multiplication. And how is this expression formed? Again by multiplying 2 and y and subtracting 17 from 2y. Okay, let us move on to the next part. Now this one if you see here, so in this what can you see is this 7m is first expression. Again no sign is written and they are written back to back, 7 and m, no sign is between them. So that means we are doing the operation of multiplication. So you can write it over here, multiplication. Okay, and then this is our next expression, so minus 7m plus 3. And also this expression is formed by multiplying 7 and m, very simple. This one if you see here, so first one if you see minus 7m, now what can you see here is that you will think that we are doing 7 and m, we are multiplying it, but you also have to see this minus sign. Now you will not consider this minus sign as an operation, so you will say subtracting minus 7 or something like that. No, you will not consider this minus as an operation. Why? Because it is after 7. If it would have been over here at the place of this plus sign, okay, then it would have been okay, but it is not at the place of plus sign, but it is written before 7. Now if you separate this m, so what can you see is this 7 is with minus sign. So minus 7 is what? It is an integer, or basically a negative integer, right? So that means we are multiplying minus 7 and m. So the two things, minus 7 which is the number and m which is the variable, are being multiplied here. So you can only and only select the operation of multiplication, no need to write subtraction over here, right? So multiplication and right. Now next if you see is this plus sign, which is clearly indicating that we are doing addition, right? So addition. So you can see two expressions formed are multiplication and addition. And how is this expression formed? By multiplying minus 7 and m and adding 3 to the to their product. Okay, then last expression is this one. Again if you see minus 7 is given, right? And also you see no sign is between m, that means again we are multiplying minus 7 and m. So again we can say that multiplication is the operation here. Okay, and this minus sign is what? Subtraction, right? So two operations, multiplication and subtraction. Now that means how is this expression formed? By multiplying minus 7 and m and subtracting 3 from their product, right? So this is how this expression is formed. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.